Hey guys, it's me, Carla. Welcome to Crafting with Carla. So a friend of mine from childhood told me she saw some of my last videos, and she told me I was being a downer and that nobody would want to talk to me if I was being like that. So she's, I guess, not talking to me now. So today I'm going to show you how you can upcycle a potato into a puppet to talk to when you're feeling lonely and nobody else will talk to you. So first you need a potato, and then you need a knife, and you need to cut off the bottom of the potato just so it will stand upright. That's all. That's the only reason. And I don't really want to get potato on my green thing here, so you also need a plate, and it would be better to have a cutting board, but I don't know. And then you're just gonna cut very carefully, just keep it flat. That's good. Okay, so now your potato will stand upright. Oh, I didn't think this through. So to me it looks really good, but to you, it looks like just the top of a potato. So I'm gonna rotate my potato like this so you can see it has a flat bottom for standing. And so now, the next thing to do is like, how do you turn a potato into a puppet? Excuse me. You're gonna take your knife again, and you're just gonna cut a mouth. Now, if this were Halloween, you could just carve a mouth just like you do your pumpkin, and you put a candle inside somehow. I don't know how. But this isn't Halloween. We're trying to make a puppet so that we can have someone to talk to. And so you actually want to cut off like the whole thing, and then now it's a puppet. Like hello. So that's pretty cool. And right now it stands, and it could talk, but we need a face, right? So I'm gonna take my queen size excuse me, my queen size Sharpie and draw some eyes on it. And you can make any kind of eyes you like. I bought this potato because it looked like it already had. Can you see that? I'm so sorry. Let me make it bigger. There we go. So I got this particular potato. I chose this potato. Like, remember when you were young and you got Cabbage Patch Kid dolls and you chose the special one you like? I chose this potato in the same way because it looked like it already had some eyes. So I'm just gonna put my Sharpie right where these. Fuck. Okay, so if you make a mistake, that's okay. You can just make this one a little bit bigger so that it's still like a circle. Oh my god. So it's a little hard because the potato is not a flat surface. So this is not good at all. I wish I'd bought another potato. So I'm just gonna make this one bigger too so that they're the same size. If you want a potato friend with different size eyes, that's okay. There's nothing really weird about that. You can do it. This is actually really hard to draw a good circle on a potato. Okay, so now this one is too big, so I'm just gonna, this is really hard. Okay, I think I'm just gonna be done. I'm gonna allow myself to just be done. And there's my potato friend. And so now when you're feeling lonely, like when your friends are telling you you're a downer and they don't want to talk to you anymore, now you have a friend. So let's go ahead and try it out, okay? Excuse me. Hi, potato friend.
Oh God, what happened? What?
You're my new potato friend.
Oh God, why would you do this to me?
Oh, because I was lonely.
Well, how was that my fault? Oh God, oh!
No, that's just okay.
Don't touch me, don't. Oh. Potato police, help me!
Oh, it's okay. Well, it seems like me and my potato friend have a lot of catching up to do. So that's it for our tutorial, and we'll see you later. Okay.